Hi, my name is Juju Beath. I go to Grand Center Arts Academy and I am in 6th grade. I visited my new school site, which is right across from the Fox Theater. We got a tour with Brian Snyder. He works for the general contractor. I learned that math and science are both a huge part in architecture and construction because it's science related, because if you have a pillar and you want to decide if you need to take it down or not, and if you just decide to knock it down, and then the whole building comes down. So you know that science, because it's probably an old thing and it needs to stay there to support the building. Math is related because, with floor plans and measurements. I guess it excited me because seeing how it can be used actually in the real world and real life experience. Not that I'm saying I haven't ever seen it before, but this is more in-depth one that I've seen. I probably used to think that it was math was just math class and science was just science class. But now I see that it's more than that, really. It's you have to actually use it in real life.